So pulled the hood off of this 53 Bel Air. Getting the hood hinge springs off was not that hard, but getting them back on was something else because there's nowhere to get any leverage. So Brad made this for me. Kind of engineered it together. So what we did was we used a porta power right here to spread the spring and then slide this in to hold it out, and then we're able to, then I zip tied it to the spring so it didn't shoot out, and we were able to get them all in. But so this is a very unique tool that I need to mark and save. You're welcome.